We're going to continue on with the last video that we created, and we're going to create a work plane on this surface right here. So if you go up here to plane and click on this surface and then drag out. Hold on, let me undo that. So click on plane, click and drag out, and let go and type in 2.5 and press enter. So if you need help doing that, just click and drag out away, and they'll create a work plane right here for us. Now we're going to go up here to Start 2D Sketch and click on that work plane that we just created. So you can kind of hover your mouse over and see how it says Work Plane 2. Click on that, and it changes our view. Might need to readjust slightly, and we'll start our new sketch on that. So now that we have this work plane, we're going to click. We need to show a little bit of work here for us. So we're going to say Project Geometry. We're going to click on this bottom edge right here, this short little white line. So click on that so it comes through. Now we're going to click on Circle. I'm going to find the middle, which is that green dot right behind me. And I'm going to just move my mouse up. I didn't click on anything, I'm just moving my mouse up. See that little dotted line behind us? Now when I'm somewhere in this area, I'm going to click and drag out. I'm going to type in 8 for 8 millimeters and press enter. And now I'm going to click on Dimension, and I want the center of this hole to be 10 millimeters from this white line here. So I'm going to click on the white dot, or that little dot there. I'm going to click on this line. I'm going to drag over and click again and type in 10 and press enter. So it adjusts a little bit. So now this is 8 millimeters and 10 millimeters from the center to this line, to the edge here. Now we're going to draw a rectangle around the circle that we've drawn here. So just draw a rectangle, something like that. And now we're going to constrain it. We're going to constrain the horizontal constraint. So click on that button right there, and click on the midpoint of this edge right here, and click on the center point of that circle. And so now they moved and they're in line. Now find the midpoint of the bottom here, and find the midpoint of this line down here. I'm sorry, let me undo that. Let's do a vertical constraint, and let's click on the midpoint right here and this midpoint right here, and it should kind of move it over a little bit. And now we're going to dimension this box to 10 millimeters. So click on this edge, slide over, and click and type in 10, press enter. And then this edge right here, click and slide down and type in 10. And so now we are kind of centered up around this circle. Alright, last thing we're going to do is we need to get this circle to turn blue, and that means it's fully constrained. So we're going to click on the vertical constraint, click on the center of this circle and the center or midpoint of this line, and it turns blue. So now our sketch is done. So hit finish sketch. And next thing we're going to do in the next video, because I'm almost out of time here, is we're going to create a sketch on this gray workpiece here, and it will create a loft between these two sketches, between this work plane and this workpiece here. So that'll be our next video, and if you have questions, by all means ask.